My name is Procheta Male, a trustee of ISPF and also a co-founder and the principal scientist at ThinkTac. This is where a lot of our team is based. As you can see, Sir C.V. Raman's old home here in the heart of Malleshwaram, 2 acres of wooded property in the middle of North Bangalore. And we'll go in and see some more of the ancient 100-year-old house here, as well as some of our departments in the organization. As you can see, a lot of our research and development happens out in the open as well. Here are some plants that are being grown, and we are measuring lots of things like the growth rate, how it does with different amounts of water, sunlight, and so on, looking at the same plant, but exposing them to different conditions through the day. We'll go in and see some more of the interesting things in the R&D team. So here we are entering what used to be the kitchen, Raman's kitchen. And although we may not have the same materials used here, 70, 80 years later, it would be something that the gentleman would be very proud of, to see science being developed here for young children, for activities that they can use in the classroom, and using all kinds of simple materials. We have a dedicated team here that focuses on lots of science as well as maths activities. So this is the other section of the rear of Sir C.V. Raman's house that we actually work out of. So you saw the R&D team there, and here we have some more of our teams based. Let me introduce you to Rakesh, who heads our outreach. So he's the one who liaises with schools, makes sure we get enough meetings with them so that we can introduce ourselves to schools and actually work directly with the schools. So our technology team works out of this space here. They're the ones who create the platforms for the teachers, students, to make sure that they have a seamless experience when using our products. And all our content, etc., is also stored open source online. Our media and graphics team is based in this other room opposite the technology team. As you can see, we have lots of laptops and computers where people are designing lots of interesting modules and documents and illustrations and videos for all the activities that we design for children. Any organization, of course, requires prudent and diligent accounting. So we have 2 of our friends making sure that all books are in order. Rajesh, and of course, you can see Swati inside as well. The powerhouse of ThinkTac, like for any educational organization, is of course the folks who actually interact with the teachers and the students. So our facilitator team, who are based out of this nice shed behind the back of Sir C.V. Raman's house. We'll go and say hi to a few of them here today. And these are the ladies and gentlemen who visit schools, interact with children, do teacher training workshops, and various other things with teachers and children at the schools to make science learning more fun and engaging for one and all. Hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Panchavati. As you can see, it's a very, very beautiful space. So it's an honor to be here, and it's a pleasure to be working with children and teachers across the country, taking as much of our hands-on experiential STEM learning into classrooms throughout India.